Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new to the channel, well, welcome as well. Today we are in a community called Ridgeview in the city of Clermont, also known as the City of Champions, and we're excited to show you guys this beautiful builder that we ran into here. It's called Trinity Family Builders, and today we're going to show you 3 model homes that this builder has to offer, as well as give you an overview of the community so you guys know what this community is like and what this area is like as well. My name is Jomar Concepcion, and I'm part of the Friendly Real Estate Group, and on this channel we show you guys brand new construction communities all over Central Florida, so you don't have to waste a bunch of time driving around to all of them. We do the driving for you so we can show you guys what they look like. Then you call us and then we bring you here. Now, with that being said, I also want to highlight to you guys that there's 3 reasons why you should absolutely have a realtor when you come to a brand new construction community. Number 1, they pay us a commission, so you don't have to pay us $1, and you get to have us on your side so we can, number 2, negotiate on your behalf to make sure that you get the best deal and you get the best interest rates as well as incentives. And number 3, you want someone on your side to make sure that is looking out for your best interest. These builders have great reps, but the reps work for the builder. We work for you. So we're going to show you these 3 beautiful model homes, but first I'm going to tell you a little bit about the community and the area as well. Discover Ridgeview, a stunning new construction community by Trinity Family Builders, nestled in the scenic beauty of Clermont, Florida. This community is designed for families who embrace the great outdoors and active lifestyles. Ridgeview is perfectly located right across the street from Lake Louisa State Park, which offers endless opportunities for boating, biking, hiking, fishing, and camping. This exclusive community combines the tranquility of nature with modern convenience. You can enjoy nearby shopping, dining, and attractions, as well as proximity to the upcoming Olympus Sports Complex. Ridgeview's thoughtfully designed homes feature 6 unique floor plans priced between $500,000 to $600,000, with options for structural and interior upgrades to create the home of your dreams. Community amenities include a resort-style swimming pool, a shaded playground, and beautifully landscaped spaces to foster relaxation and connection. Ridgeview is served by top-rated schools, including Sawgrass Bay Elementary, Windy Hill Middle School, and East Ridge High School. With Trinity Family Builders' signature Trinity Triple Advantage offering security, serenity, and sustainability, residents benefit from energy-efficient features like R38 insulation and Energy Star appliances, saving money while protecting the environment. Right, let's show you what you guys came here for. The first model that we have is the Wekiva floor plan. As you walk in, I love this beautiful open space right here. It makes you feel like you have a grand entrance. You can put a nice chandelier there. Really, really looks good. We're gonna make our way down to the formal area. Here we have the dining room, we have the living room, and the kitchen as well. Now, I do want you guys to remember that this is a builder that allows you to upgrade your home, so you will get to choose out different floors and cabinets and countertops and things like that. So this is one of the design packages that they've chosen out for this home. Actually, in the comments, let us know which of the 3 houses you guys like the best. One beautiful thing about this home, it's got a nice patio back here, big glass doors as well. And as you look throughout this house, one thing that I always love is a house that has a lot of windows. Just this hallway here, there's 4 windows. Back here, there's 3 windows. We have the 1 window in the kitchen, 1 going out for the balcony patio. I mean, I just love it. We're gonna take you guys here. We do have the laundry room here in the first floor. I do like laundry rooms in the first floor most of the time. I do like the fact that you don't have to worry about it possibly leaking downstairs. We have a full bathroom down here that can serve as the guest bathroom as well. And then we have the smallest of the 5 bedrooms in this house right down here. We're gonna take you guys upstairs. I do love the option that they picked right here for the banister railing. Makes this look really nice and open when you walk into the house. And when you get upstairs, you are greeted by this beautiful loft area. It's not a tiny space. It's not the biggest that we've seen, but this is a very good space to have a second living room up here or have an office, however you see fit. Here we have the master bedroom. This is huge. If I had a master bedroom this big, I would never make these videos because I would never leave home. Lenny would probably hate me, guys. Here we have the master bathroom. Glass shower, we have his and her sinks, 1 big window there behind the door. We have a nice sizable closet in here. It's crazy that now I have to say that this is a nice size closet. I can't say that this is huge because nowadays closets are bigger than bedrooms sometimes, but good size. Here's my second office right over here. And then you have, again, the master shower. We're gonna walk to this side of the house right over here where we have 3 more bedrooms and we have 1 full bathroom as well. Up next, we have the Hayden floor plan. Want to start here and show you guys that it does have a 3-car garage. That actually becomes extremely important because when you move to Florida, you start collecting a bunch of stuff. Actually, back up. I forgot to show you that all the houses come with your own little package drop off here. So you can give the code to Amazon. They can drop your packages off right here and they're nice and secured. I thought that was a really thoughtful idea, or you can use it as an additional little closet or something like that. As we walk into the Hayden, guys, we're gonna make our way to the dining room, to the living room, to the kitchen. We have 9'4" ceilings in this house. Wow, it's my first time seeing it. I love it. I love it. This is nice. This is really, really nice. All right, so we're gonna show you guys back here first and work our way back in. You have a flex room here. The only difference between a flex room and a bedroom, for those of you that don't know, is a bedroom has to have a window and a closet as well. This one doesn't have a closet, so it's considered a flex space. You can use it as an office or something like that. Right back over here, we've got 2 glass doors into a nice sized patio that's closed in on all but one side. I want to give you guys another look here at this beautiful open floor plan that we have available. Up next, we have a master bedroom. This is a king size bed and 2 king size nightstands as well for reference. It's not quite as big, of course, as the other bedroom, but for a 1 floor plan or 1 story plan, this is a really nice size room. Here we have the master bathroom, and in here we have the master closet. We have a glass shower as well. My second office is right back there, and his and hers sinks in here. Hers and hers. Lenny said hers and hers. All right, then we're gonna go over to this side of the house really quick to show you guys over here. We have the laundry room, another sizable laundry room. I do like these laundry rooms so far. I've only seen 2. We'll see the next one. And then look at this pantry. This is dreamy. I have a small pantry at home. I could only wish to have something like this, guys. One day. Hey, listen, you can help us get there. You can help me get to a bigger pantry if you let us help you buy a house. Here we have bedroom number 2. Reminder, this is a 4-bedroom house. We're gonna show you guys the last 2 bedrooms as well as the second bathroom as well. Those are conveniently located over here, kind of in their own little section here by the front door. So you have 1 bedroom, then you have the second bedroom, and here's a view of the 3rd bathroom right over here.
We hope that you're enjoying this video. If you are, remember to subscribe down below and hit the bell for notifications so you get notified every time we post a video. At the very least, you can give this video a thumbs up so more families like you can see videos like this. Now let's get back to it.
Last but not least, we have the Sims model. And this right here is a 6-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,356 square foot home. And you have some structural options that have been added to this house right here. We've got the doggy closet, the pool stuff closet, whatever you want to call that closet right there. As you come into the house, we're going to take you guys first into the open living concept right over here where you have the kitchen, the dining room, actually no, the breakfast nook area, and the living room as well. Back here, we've got the patio. I love the dual access to the patio. You've got the glass doors on one side and the glass doors on the other side as well. I think, honestly, this is probably my favorite configuration for the open floor plan, at least for the kitchen living room area out of the 3 houses. We're gonna take you guys right down here to the front of the house. Right by the front door, we have a nice flex space here. It can be used for an office or for your children's playground. Whatever you want to use this space for right here, guys. Right next to it, we do have the formal dining room as well. Perfect for a long table like this. If you have a big family, this is the perfect spot for them right here. Here, behind the kitchen, first we have the pantry, nice big pantry. We have a full bathroom, and then we have a guest bedroom downstairs. So if you need a guest bedroom downstairs for someone who doesn't want to go up the stairs, that's a perfect option there for you. This way we have the garage, and then we do have a nice storage closet right down here as well. All right, let's take you guys upstairs. We filmed this video in Spanish, and that was my first time seeing it. So I gotta tell you guys, it's really, really nice up here. Really loved it. When you come up, you've got these banister rails right over here, and you've got this upstairs loft. This is a nice big space. I mean, I can imagine for your family or something like that, having the kiddos play area or movie nights or whatnot. Probably a really, really good time up here. On this side of the house, we have 2 bedrooms. We're gonna show you the first bedroom right over here. We're gonna show you right in between, we have a full bathroom. And then here is the second bedroom on this side of the home. We're gonna make our way over to the other side, but first we'll make a pit stop here at the laundry room. And then we're gonna go show you the master. First, you have a large master bedroom here. And this isn't even the best part, guys. This isn't even the best part. We're gonna go through the bathroom. Actually, we're just gonna go walk right through the bathroom. And we're gonna show it to you, but we're gonna walk right through the bathroom because, whoa, what is this? It is, I don't know, a gym? Or is it an office? Or ladies, is it a huge closet for you? I don't know. Sorry guys, if you're watching this with your wife, I do apologize. We do have an actual closet right over here. We have his and her sinks, and then we have a glass shower right over here as well. That color looks amazing. I really like that color. All right, enough drooling over the master bedroom. We're gonna take you guys to the last bit of the house right over here. To the right, we have another full bathroom. And then here to the left, we have the last bedroom. Don't forget to let us know in the comments, guys, which kitchen was your favorite and which one of these houses is your favorite. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We truly enjoy making these videos for you guys, and we love these 3 floor plans. I mean, I'm blown away. I'm very curious to know how you guys felt, so let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite floor plan and which kitchen was your favorite. We are the Friendly Real Estate Group, and we make videos just like this for families just like you to help you make this move to Central Florida as easy and as fun as possible. Please make sure that you subscribe down below and you hit the little bell for notifications so you get notified every single time we post a video like this. At the very least, give us a thumbs up because it helps our video get pushed out to more families just like you. The next step is give us a call, and we'll see you in the next video.